This is how I discovered who my great-grandfather really was. And this is how you can do it too.
There is a platform where you can search billions of historical records, uncovering hidden stories of your ancestors.
You start by entering a name, and the platform scans newspapers, birth notices, military documents, obituaries, everything.
Yesterday, I was curious and decided to search my last name. And among the articles and photographs the platform found, I discovered that my great-grandfather, he was apparently the champion Charleston dancer of our city in 1923. I've been a dancer my whole life, in a family full of engineers. I always felt like the odd one out, but now I understand where it all comes from and why it's in my blood.
It's your turn to discover the story and genealogy of your family. Remember, you can use this platform completely free for 7 days if you click the link. Uncover your own story.